We're at the Microsoft Nerd Center, and this is the third annual WiDS Cambridge Datathon Workshop. It's a hackathon-style Kaggle competition.
We're trying to get people get their hands dirty with this data set. The project is about trying to classify images, and there's two different kinds of images that have like oil palms on them and others don't have oil palms on them. So it's essentially a binary classification task that people here are trying to accomplish in like 2.5 hours.
It's pretty hard because obviously you're working with image data, and it's also hard because very few of these images are actually going to be what you're looking for, which is the palm oil plantation, right? So working with this extremely what we call imbalanced kind of data set, right, kind of like digging for a needle in a haystack, presents very unique sort of machine learning challenges, and that's what we hope that our tutorial has equipped them to solve. We all just sit down, hands-on, work in small groups on this particular task. And it's really important because this task can be widely applied to many, many conservation efforts.
We're trying to bring people from all kinds of different backgrounds together to work on data science projects. So there's some people working for the government, such as like city planning. Then there's a lot of graduate students, as well as some people who work in industry. So it's a really interesting mix of people, and I hope they all get to talk to each other.
At the end of the night, they submit their initial solutions, we pick a winner from the room, and we give them a prize. It's really just a great group of people who want to apply data science to different domains.